And welcome back to my channel. So, am I audible and visible? Not visible, like audible. Today, I'm not going to this cam. Okay. So, in this live stream, I will explain what is average and everything, every concept and formulas. Okay, about average. So, let me tell if I am audible or not. Okay, I'm checking it. Okay. Yes, I'm audible. It's clear. Voice is clear. Okay. Now I'm going to start the session. Okay. So average is very important chapter for any competitive exam like bank, like SSC CGL, and and you can also consider it for RRB PO or railway. Okay, railway examination. So what is the core concept? A sorry, in quantitative aptitude for bank PO, SBI PO, IBPS PO, RRB PO, average represents the central value of a given dataset. Okay, it is defined as the ratio of sum of all observation to the total number of observations. Okay, so basic formula is average is equals to sum of all observation divided by total number of observations. So hence sum of observation equals to average into number of observations. This is the conclusion. Okay, this is the formula, and we can conclude this statement too. Okay, so here are some properties of average. Okay, so if every observation is increased or decreased or multiplied or divided by constant k, the average also increases, decreases, multiplied and divided by k. Okay. So the average of a set of data always lies between its minimum and maximum values. Net deviation method. So sum of deviation of individual items from the actual average is also always zero. So summation of xi minus a is equals to 0. This is the net deviation method. Okay. So important short tricks and exam formulas. Okay. So trick 1, consecutive numbers and arithmetic progression. For any series, so for any series of consecutive numbers, odd numbers, even numbers, or numbers in AP means arithmetic progression. Okay. Average is equals to first term plus last term divided by 2. This is for any consecutive numbers. Okay. Odd numbers, it can be an even numbers, it can be an odd numbers. Okay. Or it can be numbers in AP means arithmetic progression. If number of terms n is odd, the average is exactly the middle term. If a number of terms in is odd, the average is exactly the middle number. Suppose you take three numbers like uh, 3, 5, 5 numbers. I am taking 5 numbers: 3, 5, 7, 9, and 11. Okay, so I have taken 5 numbers. So What will be the average of these numbers? So here we can see that the number of terms is 5. So there are 5 numbers. Okay, number of terms is 5. So 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. 5 numbers are there, and we can see that the average is exactly the middle number. So what is the middle number? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So third term is the middle number. So this is the middle number. Okay, here this is the middle number. So 7 is the average of all these numbers. Okay, you can also do this like the basic formula, like sum of all observation divided by total number of observation. Sum of all, or sum of all observations. Sum of all observation means 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus 9 plus 11. So sum of these numbers. Okay, sum of these numbers divided by how many how many uh, number observations are there? How many observations are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So 5 divided by 5. So this will be 3 plus 5 means 8. 8 plus 7 means 15. 15 plus 11 means 26. 26 and 9 means 35. 35 divided by 5. 5, and which will be divided by 5. So ultimately we are getting 3. This is 5. Okay, this is 5. 35 divided by 5. So ultimately we are getting 7 average. Okay, so we can conclude that this is the average of these numbers. Okay, so when we get at odd number of terms is odd. Okay, then average is equals to exactly the middle term. Okay, this is the middle. 7 is the middle term here. Okay, so 7 is the average. Trick number 2, standard sum formulas. Trick number 2, this is trick number 2. Okay, trick number 2, average of first n natural numbers. First n natural numbers means if we take 1, 2, okay, I'm changing the color. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Okay, so what is the average of first n natural number means 1, 2, 3, 4 means here 4 terms. So 4 in natural numbers means 4 terms. So this is the shortcut formula. N plus 1 by 2 means 4 plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. So that means 5 divided by 2. That means 2.5 is the average of these numbers. And if we check it by basic formula, then we will do like this is this 1 plus 2 plus 3 plus 4 divided by how many terms are there? How many observation? 1, 2, 3, 4 divided by 4. So 4 plus 3 means 7. 7 plus 3, 2 and 3. 2 and 1 means 3. 7 plus 3 means 10. 10 divided by 4. That means that means 2.5. So we can conclude that these and these are same. So we can say that average of first n natural numbers n plus 1 divided by equals to n plus 1 divided by 2. Okay. Average of first n even numbers. So if n is even, okay, first average of first n even numbers is equals to n plus 1. So if we say like 2 first even number means 4, 6, like this, okay, then the average of these terms means if there are 18 terms, 18 terms, there are 18 terms, then we can find out the average of these terms. Okay. First n even numbers, average of first n even numbers is n plus 1. Average of first n odd numbers. Average of first n odd numbers is n. Okay. Average of first n odd numbers is n. So remember this and I will explain it later. Okay. How it is happening. I will take an example or give you some problem. I will explain it later. So average of first n odd numbers is equal to n. Average of squares of first n natural numbers is n plus 1 into 2n plus 1 divided by 6. So remember this 2. Okay. Like this. It is like this. 1 square plus 2 square plus like this. Okay. Plus dot 10 terms. Suppose this is up to 10 terms. Okay. 10 terms. Then this is the shortcut formula of this type of question. Okay. Find average number. So now we are moving to the third number trick. Okay. Inclusion, exclusion, and replacement shortcut. When a new person or item joins a group of n people with average A, changing the average by delta A. So new entry value is equals to new average plus old numbers means old people which will be multiplied by delta A. Okay. So replacement when a person of weight W old is replaced by a new person causing average of n items to change by delta A, new person weight is equals to W old weight of uh, W old plus minus n into delta A. Okay, n into delta A. So this is a formula. I will give you some problem based on this formula. Okay, so that you can better you can understand it clearly with more imagination. Okay, now we are moving to the trick number 4, weighted average and speed concept. So AW is equals to N1 A1 plus N2 A2 divided by N1 plus N2. Average speed. If a person travels a distance at speed x kilometer per hour, x kilometer per hour, and returns at speed y kilometer per hour, average speed is equals to 2xy divided by x plus y. So this is obviously we got in average uh, like average speed chapters. Okay. So we obviously learned this formula from speed chapters. Average speed is equals to 2xy by x plus y. Okay. Now we are moving to the problems, which is very important. Average age of a class of 24 students and a teacher is 16 years. 24 students and a teacher is average age of a class of 24 students and a teacher is 16 years. If the teacher's age is excluded, the average age of the class de- decreases by 1 year. What is the average? What is the age of the teacher? Okay, so there are 24 students and average age of a class of 24 students and a teacher is 16 years. Okay, so now suppose teacher's age is X, so 24 students okay, let me think. Average age of a class of 24 students and a teacher is 16. Okay, if the teacher's age is excluded, then average age of class decreases by 1 year. So do this like a bar. Okay, so we take like this. So average age of 24 students. This is 24 students and a, and a teacher is 16 years. So 24 students and a teacher is also included here. Okay, teacher is also included here. So there are 25 people. Okay, 25 people. Average of 25 people is 16 years. So so what is the age? Whole age of this? Total age of 25 people is 25 25 into 16. So this is the total age of 25 people. So that means 400. This is the total age including teacher. Okay. So if teacher's age is excluded, the average age of class decreases by 1 year. So now teacher is excluded means sorry Teacher is excluded means there are 24 students only. Teacher is excluded. And now what is the sum of this? So, average age of the class decreases by 1 year. So that means 24 students. There are 24 students, and if 24 students, and so 24 will be decreased. So 400 minus 24. That means 6, 7. And this is 3. Okay. Eliminate times 3 and 8 times 7. Without jar. 400 is the total age, and HR is excluded. The average age of the class is decreased by 1. There is this my uh, hmm, 400, and the average age decreased by 1 year. So the new average is new average is average. Okay, average age of the class decreased by 1 year means the new average is 15 years. New average is 15 years. Now, okay, now there are 24 students, so teacher's age is excluded. 24 into, sorry, 12 into, you can write it 12 into 30. 12 into 3. Okay, 12 into 30 means 360. So this is the average. Okay, average of 24 students only. This not, this will not be. Okay, so I'm explaining it. We have 24 students. We have 24 students and a teacher. And average of these people is 16 years. So 25 people, average age is 16 years. Okay, then total age will be 400. Total age is equals to how much? 400. Okay, total age is equals to 400. Now, now if teacher's age is excluded, the average age of the class decreases by 1. So now, now the total age, the average age is 15 years, because average age of class of the class decreases by 1 year. So now the average age is 15 years, and teacher is excluded. So 24 students only left. Okay. Now the total age of 24 students is 15 years. Sorry, 24 students total age of 24 students is 24 into 15 years because average age is 15 years. Okay. So now the total age is 360. So teacher says is equals to 400 minus 360 minus 360. So what is the age of this teacher? So age of the teacher is 40. So average age, sorry, age of the teacher is 40 years. Okay, this is the answer here. So option number B is the correct answer. Okay, now we are moving to the next question. The average weight of 12 members in a team increases by 1.5 kg when one of the member weight weighing weighing 15 58 kg. Kg means kilogram. Okay, kilogram. 58 kilogram is replaced by a new member. Okay, find the weight of the new member. Find the weight of the new member. The average weight of 12 members is in a team increases by 1.5 kilogram when one of the members weighing 58 kilogram is replaced by a new member. Okay, find the weight of the new member. So there are 12 members. Uh, Team increased by this when one member replaced by a new member. Okay, so what is now? What is the total weight of 12 members now? Let at first let at first there were X members. Sorry, let, the average weight of 12 members was X. Okay, so total weight was 12X. Okay, now now one member weighing 58 kg is replaced by a new member. Okay, and the team's weight increases by 1.5 kilogram. Now the weight is this. average weight. Don't do this like okay. So this is the average weight increases by 1.5 kg. Okay, average weight increases by 1.5 kg. So total weight increase is equals to this is 18 kg. 18 kg. Okay, 18 kilogram. So K and G kilogram. This is 18 kilogram. Find the weight of the new member. So as the average increased, the new member must be heavier than the replaced member by total weight increase. So new member's weight is equal to old member weight plus total increase. So new member weight is equals to 58. New member's weight is equals to 58 plus 18. This is the answer. Okay. So this is 76. So this means this is the answer. If the increased weight and replaced by this is the weight of new member. Okay. So I will do this rest of this question later. Okay. So please tell me how you enjoyed this session, and please subscribe this channel if you are new in this channel. Okay. And if you want to help me, then I have mentioned a QR code here right in the right corner of this video. Please go there and you can help me. Okay. Thank you. Thank you for watching this video. Bye bye.